Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace a page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to replace a page in this Affinity Publisher. Go to any page. Now I select this page. Now we want to replace this page on the first or top of this section. Click this page, then move it the top and drag this. Now we can see we replace our pages very easily. You can replace another page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.